Adno corporate risk matrix, which is used to identify the severity of the risk, how to manage the SIMOPS. Now, this is our main scope of work, which we are going to do in replacement of the dryers. You see, the main crane will be positioned right inside the plant. So all the activities which are to be done around it, they will be forming a part of the SIMOPS. What we have done is the scope of work which is identified for each of the train, that is listed here. How it will be impacted based upon the matrix, and then we will put here the dates on which this impact will occur and what are the mitigation measures. All the equipment and the scope of work which is to be done on that equipment, this is listed here for train 1. Similarly, the scope of work which we are going to do for train 2, that is also listed here. This is just an example that how it will impact. The red color is that the impact is very severe. It will be a high impact because the crane will be exactly positioned in front of this equipment.
And what is the type of crane?
It is a 650-ton crawler crane.
Crawler crane, okay.
Yes.
Very huge capacity, huh?
Yes, very huge capacity because the the weight of one of the dryers is about 126 ton.
Oh,
So
and what is the length of boom?
the length of the boom, I have to see because I know the length of the dryer itself. It is about 18 meters. You see, here we have got the tailing crane on the left-hand side. Then there is the SPMT in between. And this is the main crane, which is parked right inside the plant.
Okay.
So it will lift the dryer from here, pass over all the equipment and install them in this place. So this is just a brief overview of the scope of work. I will add another slide giving the full scope of work. And now it's over from my side. You can please continue.
Thank you, Khajar. Thank you, Khajar. I think you have given very brief and very good description.
Yes, very